Right, I have 4 cameras that I want to get rid of now. I just bought this Insta360 X4 and now it is going to replace a 360 camera because I had 2, the GoPro Max and this Fusion, which I think this Fusion's from 2017 and the GoPro Max is from 2018. But I don't like this Fusion. I was very curious about it, but no longer am I interested in using it if I don't have to. Okay, so I want to get rid of this. So I think I want to put this up for sale. Alright, because I only need 2 360 cameras, the GoPro Max and then this one now. This is DJI Pocket, Osmo Pocket, the first model, and I was given this for free and I tried it out and it's interesting, but I'm no longer interested in it. It can follow you apparently. Not great, but I mean I'm not too thrilled about mechanical following. I like the 360 camera, and this one just doesn't wrap around all the way. It stops right there, and then I go back the other way, and I think that's even with the newest models too. So it's very frustrating, and I just don't want it anymore. So that's that. I think the oldest camera that I have might be the GoPro 7. This one's pretty old, but yeah, I'm not happy with them anymore. They were fun at the time when they were new and about the best I could get, but things have gotten much better now. So this zooms in and out and stuff, and it's pretty neat. But I find it too much of a hassle to keep. I don't really need to zoom in a whole lot. I find that zooming in on my phone is fine enough. The amount of zoom that I get on that, the 54 zoom, it's just not that important to me. I don't find that it's convenient to carry around, and then just transferring files, I got to take the SD card out. I don't like the hassle of that, so I'll be happy to get rid of this. And then the GoPro 7, I've been keeping the GoPro 7 in my fanny pack just as something that I can set off to the side if there's some kind of quick need to set up another camera besides having just my phone cam. I've been keeping it on me, and it really hasn't been too much of a hassle carrying around, and the picture seems okay. I'm looking now with this Insta360. I'm very interested in that little detachable camera unit. I could keep that little tiny camera on me instead, a smaller version. I would be happy to have a smaller camera on me than this. The one that's a little better, newer quality too. So I think I could go without this 7 as well. 4 cameras over time just have, for me, they all have had different kind of uses in different ways, but they've become they've become dispensable, I think might be a way to describe it. They're not very useful to me, and they take up room, this little bit of space here, and I'd like to relieve that space. So what's the best way I can sell them off? I don't expect a lot of money for them. I could almost give them away, but I should probably sell them for a little bit, for find the right person who can take them. So I'm just saying that that I'm going through cameras and bringing in new ones, and I don't keep the old ones. I don't want to keep the old ones. I want to move forward, move on, you know, move forward in this car with as few things as possible. I got a ton of cameras, like, you know, this one here. I want to keep this, the GoPro 10. I still have a few cameras that are useful, but some just are just not being used enough.